This is a typical morning in Texas, or where I live in Texas. It's pretty girlied up. Got a lot of flowers. Always have a lot of flowers. My rose bush needs some working on though. I haven't been here in a while. So I'm going to try to zoom in on it, but lots of flowers. Lots of trees. There's a creek down here. This is why I always see bobcats and coyotes, because of this creek right here. They have to find water. We probably invaded their territory, not the other way around. Got some squirrels over here fighting. You can hear a really pissed off crow in the background. There's probably a snake over there or something. They always get like really excited, and they screech a lot when there's a creature that shouldn't be in your area. It's cloudy this morning. We just got over some thunderstorms. It feels good right now though. It's like 7:37 in the morning or something like that, but this is the best time to come out and just appreciate the nature and beauty of everything. I've seen bobcats in those trees up there. So many squirrels. We have an albino squirrel out here. We call him Blondie because he looks like, just totally blonde. It's crazy. It's nice because there's 2 lots there that don't have houses by them, so a little bit secluded. We do everything better in Texas and bigger. This is mine. If you love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. That's by Vincent Van Gogh. Probably pre-cutting his ear off. Anyways, if you're interested in moving to Texas, this is what we got to offer. Lots of cool stuff. Just listen to them. You don't even have to set anything on your iPod for meditation, music, or wildlife. Just go out in your backyard. Close your eyes and enjoy.